Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the balance of your Fandango gift card. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fandango.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Fandango website where you can log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the join/sign in button at the top right corner. If you have already signed in, then this will show an account menu instead. Just log in using your email address and your password, and once you have been logged into your account, click on the gift card option at the top left corner. Now from the gift card menu, you will find 4 different options. Within these options, simply click on the check balance option and then you will be taken into another page where you can check the balance of your gift card. In order to check your balance, simply go ahead and type in the number of your gift card followed by your PIN if it is applicable or set up. After entering your credentials, simply click on the check balance button and this will proceed with showing you how much balance you have left in your Fandango gift card. You can do this with any number of cards that you have added to your Fandango account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to check your balance on Fandango gift card. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.